I've been asked about the value of estate planning when somebody wants to pass assets to their surviving spouse and then ultimately to their children equally. And even though that's a very common way of doing things, estate planning offers effective and creative ways to achieve that, regardless of how old the children currently are. For example, let's say you have minor children, they play youth sports or they're in a lot of youth activities, and you're still not quite sure how they're going to grow up to be. There's creative planning that allows you to limit the court's involvement to manage assets because the kids aren't going to be old enough if something happens to the parents. Or maybe the kids are a little bit older, maybe even young adults, and you don't want them inheriting a large amount of assets at that age. Just think about some of the decisions we made when we were in our early 20s. Or maybe even the kids are a little bit older and they grow up to be perfectly fine and they're getting ready to have families of their own, spouses, children, that sort of thing. There's ways to plan for that as well, but ultimately, effective estate planning allows you to pass on your legacy the way you want to without court involvement and regardless of the age of the kids, so you can achieve the result you're looking for.